Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss how to pair, unpair and reset this Apple keyboard. This is a generation 2 Apple keyboard. It's a wireless keyboard. So now I will show you how to reset the keyboard. As you see, it is connected with my PC right now. So what I will do is I will press this power button. The light is on. I'll keep on pressing it. So if you want to pair your Apple keyboard, first of all you have to go in add devices, add a Bluetooth device. Now it is searching for the devices and Apple keyboard is visible. If you see, it again disappeared. Let me press this power button again. Now I'm pressing the power button. It takes some time, keep on pressing it, and yes, now here we see an Apple wireless keyboard in the search menu. Now I will click it. It is connecting. Sometimes it wants a code. Yeah, there is a code, so I have to press this code on this keyboard. The code is 688112258. Enter, and here you go, the keyboard is connected. So this is all, a very easy way to connect the keyboard with a Windows PC. I hope you enjoy the video. Thank you very much.